Let's take a look at two Kansept knives. This one is called the Main Street, and this one is called the Little Main Street. Both of these are with the Jade G10 handles, and both of them use the access lock, which make them very easy to open and close. So, and one-handed. So I really like the blades on these. This one has, I believe this is the stonewashed black, and this one is the satin color. The jade looks great with either. The accessories kind of stand out on the black two-tone look. Really a fan of these. The clip is pretty nice. It's long on both knives and strong yet flexible. You can flip the no, you can't flip the clip on them. So yeah, these are nice, easy to use, easy to open, easy to close, handy, and I'd say practical knives from Kansept, the Little Main Street and the Main Street. Hope this helps kind of give you an idea of the size difference between them and rundown of their features. I'd like to thank Kansept for sending us these to check out. Hope this helps.